So now we're going to create a parallel circuit in Multisim Live. So we're going to start at the toolbar on the left, and we're going to start by grabbing the voltage source. I'm going to go to the third one down under sources, and I'm going to select DC voltage. I'm going to place it on the workspace, and then I need 3 resistors, so I'm going to grab 3 resistors, place them on the workspace. It doesn't matter where you place them, you can always move them later. And then I also need a ground, so I'm going to go down to the second option under schematic connectors and click on ground. You always want to put the ground in line, but below the power source. Now we need to change this voltage, so we just click on it, or you might have to double click on it so the menu comes up on the right. And you're just going to type in 12. We're going to change this one to 8.2 kilo ohms. So you can either write 8,200 or you can write 8.2, but make sure that you put the K at the end so it's kilo ohms and not just 8.2 ohms. We're going to change this one to 6.8 kilo ohms. And then the last one, we're going to switch to 4.7 kilo ohms. Now we're going to click on this resistor and click the rotate button to flip it vertically, and do that for the other 2. I'm going to move everything so that it's in line and nice and neat. Now to connect it, I'm going to hover my mouse over the end of the component and it turns into a spool wire. Click down. If you want to make sure that the corner stays in a certain place, you just click it once on the mouse and it'll anchor it to that corner. I can click here. And then I'm just going to connect this parallel circuit. Now I need to measure the total current, so I'm going to go over on the left-hand side to analysis and annotation and click on current. I'm going to put 1 ammeter at the beginning to measure the total current. And then I'm going to select 3 more ammeters, and I'm going to place them right before the resistor. So I can measure the current of each branch. Now I'm going to go click on the waffle and click save, just because sometimes when you press play, it freezes and you lose your work. And then I'm going to press the play button. And then it displays the total current for you right here, 5.7813 milliamps. The current at R3 or R1, 1.4634 milliamps. The current at the 6.8 ohm resistor is 1.7647 milliamps. And then the current at the last resistor is 2.5532 milliamps. And that's it.